How to change your store currency on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change up your store's currency and set it up onto the currency of your choice. So for that purpose, head over to your Shopify account, log into your store. You can see I've logged into my store. Then we're going to head over to the settings section right here onto the bottom of the screen. Now from here, without having to go ahead with any other specific settings, so from here onto the store details into general setting, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the store currency. The currency currently set into PKR, which is the Pakistani rupees. You can switch this up by clicking on change store currency. And once you click on that, you can change the store currency to a different store currencies. That's awesome. You have to select the reason for changing. You can select the testing payment process is not available in current currencies, or you can set that default currency does not match your intended choice. That being said, let's change this to Moroccan dirhams, or you could change this up to Emirati dirhams as well. Now that we're done with this, we are simply going to click on save. This is one way to do it. The other way to do it is by simply heading over to settings once again and typing and searching in currency. Now that is just going to bring up all the different settings that are available regarding the currency. You can change the billing currency as well as the store currency, which are two different things. Keep that in mind. So guys, this is how you can change your store currency on Shopify. If this video helps, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.